Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get more and more informative videos for the competitive test. Quaid Azam operated as permanent president of All India Muslim League in 1916 or 1924. 1937 is the right option. Next question. When Robert Bill passed? The right option is 1919. 1919. Who convinced Quaid Azam to join All India Muslim League? सही जवाब है मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर। मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर। अगला सवाल। विच सूफी टॉम्ब इज इन मिठन कोट? सही जवाब ख्वाजा गुलाम फरीद। ख्वाजा गुलाम फरीद टॉम्ब इज इन मिठन कोट। Pakistan's first commercial bank is MCB Muslim Commercial Bank or HBL, UBL or ABL. सही जवाब HBL, Habib Bank Limited. Son Valley, an ancient civilization, is present in Potohar. This ancient valley is present in Potohar. National animal of Pakistan is markhor, horse, camel or deer. Right option is markhor. Old city of Lahore had gates. How many gates? 9, 11, 13 or 15. सही जवाब 13 गेट्स हैं. When Pakistan national anthem was approved by the government? इसका सही जवाब है 1954. 54. Who was the first to support Pakistan resolution in 1940? इसका सही जवाब है चौधरी खलीकुज़्ज़मान. In provincial election 1937, where All India Muslim League won largest number of seats? UP, United Province. UP is the abbreviation of United Province. Which fort was built by Zahiruddin Babur in 16th AD? Bala Hisar Fort, which is present in Peshawar. ये पेशावर में है. Which was the first daily newspaper after the creation of Pakistan? It was Imroz. Right option is Imroz. Quaid Azam as I know him is written by. It is the biography of Quaid Azam written by M.A.H. Asfahani. Famous Sindhi poet Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai was a Sufi of 16th, 17th, 18th or 19th century. Right option 18th century. Naltar Valley is 14 km from Gilgit, Hunza, Chitral और अयूबिया. सही ऑप्शन है गिलगित से इसका फासला 40 किलोमीटर. Which is the oldest city of Pakistan? पाकिस्तान का सबसे पुराना शहर मुल्तान. When Pakistan joined Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC. Right option is 1969. Taftan, a small town, is located on Pakistan border with Iran. ये पाकिस्तान के ईरान बॉर्डर पे है. Which Pakistani city was destroyed completely in 1935 earthquake? Quetta. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, like it and share it to your friends and other fellows. Thank you for watching video.